To record any call in your phone, be it incoming or outgoing call on your phone, simply go to your uh, call tab. When your call tab opens, make the call you wish to record. So after dialing the number, you can only record this call when the user picks it. So when the user picks it, what you have to do is to check the option listed below to check or to see start recording. Here is start recording. So click on start recording. If you see the number is has started counting, that means this call have automatically started recording. You can as well use this same step in case you want to record any incoming call. Say here is the sign on your screen to show that the call is being recorded. So when doing this, you go to after you might have after you are done with the recording, go to your file manager to locate recordings. Check the folder, you see the recording of today, all thanks to the date and the time on the file description or the file details. So if you don't have this function on your phone, because some phones does not have this on their phone, simply go to the Google Play Store. It depends on your phone. Locate the Google Play Store and then search for this app. The name of the app to search for is Call Recorder. Then locate that for Android phone. Click on it. Go down to locate this other one that shows a red circle with REC. Call Recorder Automatic. Here is it. So click on it. Download this app. Install it. Automatically you'll be able to be recording your incoming and outgoing calls. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Like this video, share, comment, as well as subscribe to this channel. Take it 85. Check out this playlist for more trending videos.